Alright guys, today we're going to repair a recoil on a Bolens 21-inch side discharge lawnmower. It acts like it's frozen solid, and I try to pull on the cord. It doesn't want to pull over. And I don't know if you can see it, but when you look up underneath of it, there the rope is all wrapped around that. So we got to take it apart and see what's happening with it. Any of the parts you need for this, I'll put in the description below. Rope and handle from Briggs & Stratton, super cheap on Amazon. I'll put it in the description. Whatever I can find that we might need. Hopefully it doesn't need anything. I just got to take it off and do some stuff. All right, 3/8. We got one bolt here. We got one bolt here. We got another bolt on the other side, right here. Oh, right here. All right, we're gonna take those 3 bolts out, 3/8. And we're just gonna lift this straight up off. There we go. I don't know what happened here. That's a freaking mess. That's what happened. All right, let me get set up. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is just get this all untangled. We got to get all this unwrapped off of here. There we go. What happened? What happened here? But this is where you wind it up at. All right, so let's see here. We're gonna bend this little flap out of the way here. You see that right here? Get that bent up out of the way. All right, get this lined up back here. So it looks like somebody cut a notch into this. There's supposed to be a notch there, but it looks weird. Maybe not. Maybe it's just the rope cut into it. But usually you put the rope in the notch that's there, and then you wind counterclockwise. 1, 2. We'll just start with that many right there. We're going to pull it through and then let it wind back up in. So it wound back up in. Yeah, I think that did it right there. I don't understand what happened to that. I'm going to pull it in and out a bunch of times. Let's see if I get it to copy that. It's pretty simple. Yeah, I don't understand what happened with that. It's weird. It does need oil. Alright, so we're going to oil it. The spring that sticks out right here is where we're going to drop the oil in. So I use like a diesel fuel and transmission fluid mix, but any oil will do really. Not WD-40. WD-40 will just rinse everything out. It won't really oil it. Put that down in there, and then we're going to pull it in and out a couple of times. It's already feeling better. Way better. And it's not messing up, so I think we're ready to put it back on. Make sure there's no debris in the cup. There's a little grass in there, but nothing serious. Just make sure it's in there. And we're just going to go ahead and set this right back into place. Like this. Just like that. And then you got the coil wire. Make sure that's in good. Make sure all this is in place. Alright, and then those 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3, back in. So then we're going to squeeze the handle and pull the cord up to this area here. Loosen the wing nut. So then put this rope in there and then tighten it back down. That's pretty much it, guys. I don't even know if this runs or not. That was just a video on the recoil and some messed up ass crap on it. Hopefully it helps you out. If it helps you in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you want to do any advertising on my channel, message me. Peace.